Hello children, in the previous video we discussed about different types of epithelial tissue, and now we are going to see the various types of connective tissue present in our body. So let's see some of the basic features of connective tissue first. Children, the connective tissue binds one tissue with another, as the name is suggesting, to connect. Connect means binding. So the connective tissue binds one tissue with another and also connects various organs, keeping them in proper place. Children, the cells of connective tissue are loosely spaced. If you can remember, we discussed in epithelial tissue, the cells are compactly arranged without any intercellular space. But here you can see that the cells of connective tissues are loosely spaced, and they are embedded in an intercellular matrix. The matrix may be jelly-like, it may be fluid, dense, or rigid. And we can classify basically the connective tissue as connective tissue proper. Then we can have the after connective tissue proper, we will see the other type of connective tissue, that is supportive connective tissue, and then we will see the fluid connective tissue, isn't it? So one by one, let's see this type of connective tissue. So start with the proper connective tissue proper. So first type under this topic is areolar tissue or packing tissue. It is called as packing tissue because its basic function is to pack or fill the space inside the organ. Areolar tissue is found between the skin and the muscles, isn't it? Then around the blood vessels and nerves, and in the bone marrow also. And as we have discussed, it fills a space inside the organs, support the internal organs, and helps in repair of the tissue. So you can see structure of areolar tissue here. So move to the next type, and the next type of connective tissue proper is adipose tissue. Children, adipose tissue has a specialized cells with store fat, and this tissue is found below the skin and acts as an insulator for retaining the body heat. It is also found between internal organs. The cells of this tissue are called as adipocytes. You can see structure of adipocytes. And children, this fat tissue also acts as the food reserve, and in case when energy is required, this fat tissue ultimately gets converted into the glucose, and which will finally help to release energy reserve, isn't it? And then the next two type we can see in comparative way. So first one is the ligament and another one is the tendon. So children, ligaments connect bones to bones, and tendon is another connective tissue which connects the skeletal muscle to the bone. Ligament is highly elastic in nature, and in comparison to ligament, tendon is almost tough and it is less elastic. Next point is the ligament connects the end of the bones at the joints, and in tendon connects the ends of the muscles to the bones. And children, fibroblasts are scattered in the ligaments, and in this side fibroblasts lie in continuous row. Ligament at each joints contains many ligaments, and in tendon we will see each muscle contains only one tendon. Then ligament is almost yellow in color, and tendon is white in color. So this was the comparative study between these two connective tissue proper, that is ligament and tendon. And in another video we will see another type of connective tissue. So till then, good.